right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So much better day today. So first of all, it started out taking out this box. We almost had it done yesterday, but we had to take it out. I put the space saver connector in, so there's no connector pushing through the top of the box. So I took that out and then added some shims on the left side. I thought of that last night. Added some washers on the left side. Shimmed that out straight, and then basically just cut the hole a little bit bigger so we could pull it out. Shimmed it up and then got it level, screwed it down, so that was a lot faster than yesterday. After that, I went ahead and took care of a couple door frames where they're going to pour concrete in the door frames. So I did a couple of these, had TJ upstairs, I think, working on fire alarm. But anyways, didn't get a video of the fire alarm, but went ahead and finished out the fire alarm and the PEDS flex. So I'll try to get a video of that tomorrow or the next time I remember. But that went really smoothly. I already had all the hooks up. Basically just pulled our wire in and pulled our loops and all that stuff. Spliced the wire back together where it needed to be on the two jumpers in the bathroom. And then from there, at the end of the day, went ahead and also did a couple pieces of pipe work downstairs, and then I came back up here and cut in a couple boxes. Well, we're not quite finished yet. Cut the holes, basically lasered from these switches over here on the left side of the wall, lasered that and matched them kind of to the right side on this back wall right here. Had a picture, and we went ahead and looked at the back side of the wall. It was a picture before sheetrock, so looked at the picture, found the studs, measured up the heights. I knew there was a spreader bar right here on the left side, so I knew I was going to hit the bottom of that spreader bar and the right side of that stud for my first box on the left, and I matched the height over there on the right side, found the stud, and then cut that one out as well. So hopefully that wasn't too fast, but that's the process that I went through to get these two, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Alright guys, so that's what happened today. Sorry I went through that really quickly. I could not expand the videos anymore really, so I just had to try to talk really fast. But anyways, we got the boxes from hell done in the morning, and then we did the pipe downstairs, the fire alarm upstairs, cutting in the wave, I don't even know what you call the wave boxes. Basically, you do a touchless wave and it opens the doors. So working on those boxes, still have to finish that tomorrow. And there was one other thing that we did that was already covered in this video. So yeah, that's what I did today with me and TJ. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. The only reason I didn't go back and film the other spots in the video today is because I had to rush off to a doctor's appointment. Well, I guess it was a doctor's appointment, but it's like a breathing test or whatever. They put you in this like machine kind of thing. You breathe into this machine. Anyways, pulmonary test. Anyways, that went pretty well, I think. I'll hear back probably tomorrow on the news of that. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. I probably said that twice. Peace.